hello. Thank you guys for tuning in for another wonderful episode of Rise Talks. I'm Moses Adesimilolu.
And I'm LaShawn Adesimilolu.
And we are the co-founders of
Rise Business Solutions.
And look, guys, we help tax entrepreneurs to build, scale, or sell their profitable tax business. Guys, we are so excited today to bring some great values to you guys. And how we help the taxpreneurs is we offer online courses,
Online resources, and business mastermind sessions, all designed straight for the solo tax entrepreneur. So if you are a tax entrepreneur, or if you know someone who is looking to get started in the industry, please be sure to connect them with us. We would love to help them on their journey.
Look, guys, like and share this page, like and share this video, because we have some great values for you today. We're here to talk about pricing, guys.
Yes.
Pricing, how to get paid and not get played.
Absolutely. Guys, we have a lot of new tax professionals and even experienced tax professionals who come to us and they say that they want to make more money in their business. They are afraid that they are undercharging, they're not charging their worth, and they're not making the type of money that they want to make in their business.
I could testify to that. Just about 10 years ago when I started doing taxes on TurboTax, oh my jeez, I was charging like $25, $50. I mean, for doing a lot of credits, doing a lot of work for self-employment taxes, I was even charging about $50 to $100. Shooting myself in the foot, not even knowing that I'm giving a lot of values to these people and really charging less of my worth. So when I went into an actual tax firm and started working with a husband and wife team and started understanding the professionalism in taxes and understanding how to give my worth and how to charge for my services, now here I am now, doing this video in front of you guys and letting you, don't go that route. Don't shoot yourself in the foot charging less that you're supposed to be charging when you have a lot of values to offer your clients. You know, you are understanding the tax laws, you are understanding the changes in the tax laws. You are putting a lot of value into yourself with the information that is out there, so you could look more, reputable for yourself.
Exactly. And so there's a few factors that you need to have in your head when you think about how much you're going to charge. Number one, you need to consider how much continuing education credits you have. Do you go to tax seminars or the IRS forum? How much worth education do you put in yourself so that you can provide the best knowledge and expertise for your clients?
Exactly.
All right. If you are somebody that participates in the annual filing tax season program with the IRS, or if you go to these seminars or do continuing education credits, you should absolutely compile all that into your overall value.
Yes.
And Moses, he has education in the accounting field, so he has degrees. You have to factor all that information in when you come up with your price. There's no reason you should be charging the same as someone with a high school diploma and nothing but a P10. Okay, so think about that when you come up with your price. Another thing that you should think about is your overhead expenses.
Yes.
Okay, are you working from home? Do you have an office? Are you paying utilities, Wi-Fi? How much is your tax software? Do you have staff or virtual assistants that you employ? What are all the expenses that you have to pay throughout the year to manage your tax firm? Okay, you have to write that number down. The number is very important because anything you hit over that number is profit.
Yes.
So you have to be sure that you're hitting that number and exceeding that number in order to realize a profit.
Yes, guys, look, just make sure that you are putting all this cost into effect, so you don't want to actually make less than what you actually putting out. So you want to look at all your expenses and then say, okay, from your expenses, your value is worth this. You want to actually put a value to your price, because when you think about it, H&R Block and all these big tax companies, they're not charging $25, $50, $100 a return. They're charging a few hundreds of dollars for the return, and people pay this without even thinking about anything. But because they already have a name, they are a big brand, people feel like, okay, they are actually charging. But you, who is somebody who is starting, who is a tax entrepreneur, who is starting from somewhere, you know, you want to put the value within yourself. You want to make yourself a big brand too eventually.
Exactly.
You know, so just put that value within yourself. Have that confidence, because that's that one thing that we have to have is confidence. Be confident within yourself, stand your ground, and let your customers know that, look, you are offering ultimate value, ultimate great stuff for them, and you know, they will appreciate you more. Like, okay, look, my tax guy was good. My tax woman was really gave me some good money.
Exactly. And I think that a lot of people tend to devalue themselves because they feel like, well, you know, I'm a tax entrepreneur. I'm not a big brand. I don't have all these fancy commercials. But really, try seeing the glass as half full. Your clients are in a better position because, one, most of the time they know you. They might be relatives or friends. They can contact you at any time, whereas you can only contact H&R and Block between the hours of, let's say, 9 and 7. They can contact you at any time. They know where you live. You can, you know, go to their house and do mobile service. You can offer virtual service. You know that you are looking out for their best interest.
Yes, and you are more personable to them. So they're already looking at you as like, okay, yeah, this is somebody that's really out for my best interest. This is somebody that's really going to take care of me. And look, don't be scared to charge your value. Don't be scared to charge more, because trust me, the tax preparers are going to pay that money regardless if they go somewhere else or if they stay with you. So be ready to charge your worth and be confident within yourself, guys.
Exactly. And just to give you guys some numbers, when we looked up the average fee for, you know, the big block brands, big block brands, they're charging on average about $250 to $350 for a 1040. Okay, so you can either be in line with them, or if you want to position yourself above them, you can charge more, or you can charge a little less. I wouldn't suggest charging less. If anything, give a discount. Say, this is my normal fee, but I will give you a discount in this one particular circumstance. But do not start off charging less, because your clients are going to come to expect it, and then when you start charging more, they're going to feel like you're being greedy, and they might object to that. So if you start off with the price that you feel very comfortable and confident in, you don't have to worry about them price gouging. Okay? If they're doing Schedule C or self-employment income, I have seen that go up to about $1,500 per tax return. So just think about those numbers, guys, between $350 to $1,500 for a 1040 with a Schedule C, and just position yourself wherever you feel most comfortable doing it. But just understand your value. Definitely understand how much your costs are as you go into this, and understand that you are providing something that is very, very valuable to your clients. They do not know the tax laws. They don't know more than you do. Most of the time they're going to go to TurboTax, put in some information, and they think that they can do what you do, and they can't. So establish yourself as an expert by being visible on social media, providing tax tips, sending out emails. Make yourself the expert, and then you can charge accordingly.
Exactly, guys. Look, we're just here to just give you that value information, and feel free to like and share this page, like and share this video, and we'll be coming again next week with another valuable point for you. But just wait and stay tuned.
Yes, and be sure, guys, to subscribe on our YouTube channel and press the bell so that you can be notified every single time we come out with a video. We'll be back next week for more valuable tax training. If you are interested in the mastermind or any of our courses, be sure to visit our website using the link below. Take care, guys, and enjoy.
All right, guys. Peace out and have a really, really grind day. Keep on pushing. All right.